Every morning at sunrise, this massive complex processes millions of gallons of milk. The homogenizer uses high-pressure pistons to create intense shear forces, ensuring a uniform mix.
Inside the continuous freezer, the dasher blades vigorously scrape the chilled surface. Inline mixer.
The products move deeper into the tunnel, where frigid air ensures they are fully solidified before reaching the exit stage.
From the bustling factory floor to your quiet kitchen, we ensure every pint is packed with the perfect swirl.
Every processing workflow begins at dawn. Tanker trucks deliver raw milk to the receiving bays, where
The automated system activates, diverting a precise sample into a sterile bottle, ensuring the integrity of the main flow.
Here we see the centrifuge spinning at high velocity. Once stopped, the technician can...
The raw milk arrives at the facility, where it is pumped into these massive silos for storage before pasteurization.
The dedicated cream intake line is completely isolated from the raw milk manifold, preventing any chance of cross-contamination during the transfer process.
Here we check the drum seals and review the certificates of analysis to confirm the integrity of the ingredients before they move to the production line. In our inclusion warehouse, ingredients like nuts and chocolate are stored in clearly labeled zones, ensuring strict allergen control throughout the process.
Here we see the control interface displaying the recipe parameters. The planner reviews the target fat percentage and sweetness levels. The clean-in-place cycle begins now. Water and cleaning solutions are circulated through the transparent piping. The foamy caustic solution rushes through the pipes. The stabilized reading on the conductivity meter confirms the The clean-in-place system begins its cycle, with the timer meticulously tracking the required contact time for validated sterilization.
The operator signs off on the sanitation checklist, confirming the completion of the CIP cycle. The system is now ready for production.
Raw milk is introduced into the blend tank via the inlet line. As the valve engages, the electromagnetic flow meter, the automated valve opens, allowing the thick cream to flow smoothly into the blend tank, enriching the mixture to the precise butterfat target. The inline standardization system precisely adjusts the butterfat levels, ensuring a consistent product flow without interruption.
The induction system seamlessly draws the granulated sugar into the liquid stream. It dissolves instantly within the vortex. The sealed hopper precisely delivers milk powder via a controlled auger mechanism, ensuring a smooth blend into the swirling ice cream base.
The high shear mixer spins rapidly,
creating a powerful vortex that breaks apart the incoming slurry particles.
As the internal agitation generates heat, the temperature reading rises gradually. Reaching the programmed limit, the system
The refractometer precisely measures the solids content. The reading aligns closely with our target.
The HTST pasteurizer is operating smoothly. The stabilized set point temperature and holding time confirm.
The mix enters the heat exchanger, flowing rapidly between these thin plates, where steam instantly raises the temperature with remarkable efficiency.
The heated mix travels through this insulated tube at a precise flow rate, maintaining temperature for safety before moving to the heat exchanger. The valve actuator remains poised. The indicator linkage shows it is ready to automatically redirect flow if the temperature drops below the validated threshold.
The mix seamlessly transitions from the heating section. As the steam valves reduce, the chilled water circulates. The mix temperature drops rapidly through the cooling plates, stabilizing precisely in the chilled target range.
The pasteurized mix enters the homogenizer, causing the pressure gauges to rise steadily.
This is the high-pressure homogenizer head. As the pistons cycle, the mixture is forced through a narrow valve, creating powerful shear forces. Notice the subtle transformation as the mix exits. The texture is now visibly uniform and glossy, a truly
Pasteurized. The homogenizer maintains a steady pressure, ensuring the integrity of the product. The operator monitors the
During the stabilization phase, the agitator runs intermittently, slowly turning the mix to maintain uniformity while preventing aeration. The refrigerant circulates, dropping the mix temperature into the optimal 2 to 5 degree range. The trend line
Viscosity is within range.
Fat analysis confirmed. Flavor profile is excellent. We can release the batch.
With the aging process finalized, the operators initiate the transfer to the continuous freezer, ensuring a Here we see the overrun target being confirmed. This setting dictates the percentage of air incorporated, directly impacting the product's texture and quality.
The inline air filtration unit utilizes HEPA-grade filters to ensure a steady flow of purified air. This is
As the barrel chills the mix, the dasher continuously scrapes the freezing later from the wall and folds it back into the center, building a smooth texture. The overrun sensor calculates air incorporation in real time, allowing the automated controls to constantly micro-adjust.
is the critical freezing stage. The mix is rapidly cooled while being aerated, transforming it into the structured frozen dessert.
Here we see the temperature probe inserted directly into the stream. The reading stabilizes right at the target.
Here at the injection manifold, precise amounts of vanilla extract are metered in, allowing for customization after the base freezing process.
Here we see the precise moment the rich cocoa blend is introduced into the semi-frozen base, ensuring a controlled integration of flavor.
Here we see the thick caramel metered by the pump before being layered onto the ice cream stream by the ribboning head.
This continuous spiral is achieved through precise injection at the ribboning head. ensuring the ribbons remain defined all the way to packaging.
Here we see the inclusion feeder in action, smoothly cascading cookie pieces onto the conveyor belt before they are mixed into the final product.
Consistency is key. This calibrated rotating mechanism ensures the precise metering of inclusions down to the gram.
At the segregated nut inclusion station, operators follow strict protocols, ensuring proper configuration. The inclusions pass through the system, which continuously scans for any contaminated material, safeguarding product integrity.
Allow. The inline mixer gently folds the inclusions into the semi-frozen base. This ensures an even distribution.
The tub straws is traveling perfect surface synchronization nearing the conveyor of the filling station.
To ensure strict compliance, every package is weighed automatically.
The leveling blade ensures a perfectly smooth finish, essential for the lid application and maintaining the cold chain. The top depositor unit precisely layers a ribbon of viscous caramel, creating the signature swirl pattern just moments before the tubs are sealed.
The coding unit precisely stamps each lid with the Best By date and lot code. The ink sets instantly.
This is the final stage, the hardening tunnel. The tubs travel steadily into the deep freeze environment.
The digital display confirms the deep freeze conditions inside the tunnel, often reaching -45 degrees Celsius.
The rotary carousel system ensures a controlled rhythm as the deposition station precisely dispenses the mixture.
The automated stick insertion unit presses the wooden sticks firmly and centrally into each mold, ensuring precise alignment before the freezing stage.
The molds travel through this long, stainless tank in a circulating cold brine solution. The liquid rapidly...
Here on the enrobing line, a continuous sheet of velvety chocolate cascades over the frozen centers, ensuring every bar is perfectly coated before moving on.
The conveyor moves the freshly coated bars under the hopper, where a precise shower of colorful sprinkles creates the perfect finish.
Following the enrober, the bars enter the cooling tunnel, where chilled air rapidly sets the coating.
The bars move rapidly through the rotating film motor. As the film wraps tightly, it instantly sealed it.
As the wrapped bars pass underneath the camera, the system checks for alignment. Misaligned packages like this one are...
The machine swiftly groups the wrapped bars and pushes them into the awaiting cartons.
After sealing, products pass through the metal detector. If contamination is found, the rejection system activates immediately.
This advanced technology reinforces safety through high-level scrutiny. The system inspects for dense objects, the multi-axis robotic palletizer swiftly and smoothly stacks the corrugated cases. It places in a precise...
Once the forklift retrieves the pallet, the order picker scans the barcode to confirm the SKU. It's then moved to the staging area for distribution.
Maintaining the frozen cold chain is critical. Here, pallets are loaded into a pre-chilled trailer, with fans circulating the air to ensure quality.
After its careful journey from the factory, the ice cream is ready for the ultimate test, the perfect scoop at home.